Do the second is Tantrum. See that is mini freeze in replacing Coca-Cola with 120 Pepsi cans by all talking mushrooms. Like the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's into this vaccine. 3, 2, 1.
Mini fridge. Mini fridge.
Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Don't put that on YouTube.
Did no one take his Valentine's? Is that why he has 2 boxes?
Did
Why
no
do you
one?
still have 2 boxes?
Because I put my candy in one of them and we still had a lot of extra.
Oh.
Oh.
I saw some red and I don't know what it is.
It's a big old teddy bear!
Yeah, I'll let me have some.
Actually, I gave that to Mommy for her Valentine's, but you guys can play with it.
Two?
Oh, there's just one. Oh, there's nothing. Alright, so we have another surprise for you guys.
What?
Mommy's gonna tell you.
Wait, I'm gonna show you it too. Hold on.
Yeah, she can show you the surprise. Not only Anna, stand over there.
I'm gonna see what's
Hey. Do you see what this is?
there. Yeah, Oregon dog. We're
We're getting a puppy!
So this is what it'll look like.
We're getting a puppy.
What about silverware?
Ah, she's old news. She's yesterday.
Still have silverware.
I'm just kidding.
I think the blue one might use.
Hey, what's up everybody? So this is kind of an exciting day. Today, Newer hooked us up with a mini fridge. Let's check it out. Alright, so here we have the Pepsi brand beverage cooler. And this is what it's gonna look like. And here are the features. It's a black door with glass, has 126 can capacity, a dial temperature control, black rubber coated shelves, and an interior LED light. Nice. Awesome. All right, let's open it up. Kind of heavy. Hold on, I'm gonna open the sides here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that! Look at it!
Oh, look at it.
Whoa!
Look, it has like ice on it.
Oh, it's the best. We turn it around like this.
Whoa, it's a fridge! Boy.
All right, Leanna, what do we have here?
We have a mini fridge!
Mini fridge. Let's take a look at it. But first, check out the top of it. Look at all the details.
Yeah, it's really cool, and they have the same thing
love
on the sides.
The artwork there.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Wow,
And then on
cool.
the sides as well. And then in the
We have
front,
to get rid of this
you got
first.
the logo.
The logo,
And
yep.
you got some shelves. But first, let's get it out so we can open it. Open it.
There's a handle on the side.
There's a handle on the side.
Yeah, it's not cold because you have to plug it in. The instructions.
Ooh.
And there's tape
So we got all
here.
the shelves. Here, look out. All
You
the
have
different
1,
shelves.
2, 3, 4. And then you have
Does
this.
this come out at all? Oh no, you can put
Like,
more down there.
You can put like drinks here. Wait, we can put cheese in here. Cheese.
Now, Daddy loves Coca-Cola, so I'm gonna fill it up with Coke.
That sounds
Coke,
good.
man.
Come on, come out, come out.
Is that one tape?
Is there any tape? Nope.
All right, so Leanna's taking all the shelves out. So this is what the shelves look like.
So you can put it like this so that way nothing falls out.
Yeah.
Or you can put it like this.
Now, you got all these adjustments here.
Yeah, so you
So you can set the
put-
shelves anywhere you like
Yeah,
in
so
there.
you can put it like this. I can't find that rope.
Let's see.
It's so
Let's
dark.
put it on that level right there.
Like
It just slides in.
yeah.
There we go.
And then we have all these other ones.
Yeah.
So he's gonna wheel in.
I'm taking it to my bedroom.
Aw man, wanted it to be in mine.
Surprise!
What is that?
It's our new mini fridge.
We got it.
Mini fridge.
Heck yeah. Place to put all my Coke.
Oh my Coke.
But it says Pepsi.
I don't care
Yeah,
if
you
it says
see
Pepsi. I'm putting my Coke in there.
I'm buying my
What?
Coke in there.
Why do we have a mini fridge?
Why are you putting Coke in the Pepsi
Cause
machine?
it's cool.
Because it's cool.
Okay.
Because it's cool.
So what's you put
What-
Pepsi in there?
Oh my
Like Coke.
gosh. That's
Mm.
ridiculous.
Nah.
It's totally normal to
is
have
totally awesome.
the mini fridge in a bedroom.
Are
Totally
you that
normal.
addicted to Coke?
I want to keep my cheese.
Yes.
In here. I want to keep my cheese in here.
Your cheese.
No
Everyone
cheese.
likes their cheese.
Yeah,
That's my fridge. It's Daddy's fridge.
Now I'm gonna keep my cheese in there. So,
All right, we just got it plugged in. Let's take a look, Leanna.
here's the fridge, and there's
the
an
light.
off switch. You can go in off and
yeah.
on.
Wow.
So we have the set in there at 6. You can change that. There's
To make it
different
good.
numbers there on the side.
Yeah, what's the biggest one? 6.
So let's fill it up with Coke.
Yeah, Coke.
You don't need
Why Coke?
Coke
Why?
like
Yes,
that.
I do.
It's a need.
It's
This
not
is
a
a
need.
total need.
Okay, let me help.
Ugh. You're not
Well,
going to
looks like it-
fill that up.
Oh, yes,
That
we
is
will.
a lot
Yes,
of
we
Coke.
We have a ton of Coke and Coke Zero.
My
Coke
goodness.
Zero, yeah. Coke Zero. That's my kind of Coke. Coke Zero.
Right here.
That's so many.
Yeah. Oh, did I turn the light off?
Oh no.
LED lights, baby.
Oh, to light up your Coke addiction, huh?
Light up my Coke addiction.
My Coke addiction.
Come on. There.
Leanna, you're really excited about this, huh?
Sugar rush, here I come.
Yeah, that's all mine.
There's a Coke in here.
Whoa, look at all that.
And we even have
I like the
big one
Coke
on
Zero.
this shelf.
All right, let's take a closer look. Let's open it up.
So up here we have the original Coke, and then here we have Coke Zero,
Coke
I like the
Zero.
Coke Zero.
Zero, and
Coke
then
Zero.
more original
Normal
Coke, more original
That's a
Coke,
2-liter
Yeah.
Coke right
and
there.
then we have Coke Zero.
Well, that's actually
More
cherry
Coke Zero.
Oh,
Yeah.
cherry Coke,
Cherry
Cherry
Coke
Zero,
Zero.
I guess.
cherry Zero.
So there it is.
I like the Coke Zero
all
and the
Daddy's
Coke
Coke.
Zero.
See, we
Coke
just
Cherry
need one more thing
Zero.
of Coke, Diet Coke, but no one likes diets.
Nope.
All right, let's go
I
ahead
like
and close it.
Coke Zero.
Yeah, look at that. What do you got there, London? Ah, you got into my smallies. Alright, so I feel kind of bad for Leland today. He's not feeling good. He's just there sleeping. Hey, come on, London. Come on. Leland hasn't been feeling good. So yeah, for reals, Leland's been sick the last probably about 12, 18 hours now.
Wow.
It's just he can't keep anything down. It's no fun. Alright, hey, what's up guys? Another morning, and I feel like it's gonna be one of those crazy days. So I'm gonna grab me a Coke.
Got me a Coke.
Ah yes, nice and cold.
Nice and cool.
Alright, what's up everybody? Today we are just counting all our quarters. And we seem to have a ton of them for some reason. Holy cow, look at all these quarters. Look at all that. How did we end up with so many quarters?
No idea.
We can trade all this money for things. Why do I sound like Katniss?
Uh-oh, Leanna, what happened to your voice? You lost your voice.
I don't know.
Whoa, look at this one. It's a $50.
Ooh, 50 cents.
It's huge.
Man, look at all that.
So much money.
Oh, that's a lot.
Should we count it, Carol?
Oh, yep.
So,
Alright, so how much do we have there,
All
Carol?
right, let's count. Okay, Leanna's gonna count.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45,
Coca-Cola.
50, 55.
56, 57, 58, 59.
Alright, so the kids have been sick the last few days.
Yeah.
And that's why Leanna lost her voice. She has a sore throat. And Leland had like nausea and all that. So he's been throwing up. And London had a fever. So it's been kind of crazy the last few days.
Like all three kids sick, but with different stuff.
Different
Yeah.
stuff. That's weird. Alright, so
Different
what do we
stuff,
have
yeah.
here?
We have $59.
$59. Holy cow, Leanna.
I'm keeping this.
That's a lot of money. I'm going to
Yeah.
take all of these quarters and I'm going to go head up at the nearest Coke vending machine.
You have
Vending
to.
machine? You
Yeah.
have like 120 cans of Coke.
Yeah, you don't need any more.
Yeah, you already have plenty.
Yeah.
You can never have too much Coca-Cola. So what do you got there, Carol?
My bird, I fixed it. I glued it back together.
Oh, you fixed it. Let's take a closer look.
So you
Yeah.
can see
Oh, yeah.
right there. But we always have liquid nails on hand for anything that gets broken.
And a lot of stuff gets broken in this house.
Yep. So now it's fixed.
If you guys haven't seen that video, that was our last video of when Leland broke this bird.
Totally by accident. It just popped off.
Yeah. Alright, so what is Leland up to? What are you up to, Leland?
I'm gonna be playing a game for our gaming channel, but I don't know what game to play. How about comment down below what game you want us to play, like Fortnite?
Oh, is this on our gaming channel?
Well, not this video, but what I'm gonna
Yeah.
be playing.
Oh, okay, yeah, for our gaming channel.
So do you want me to play Fortnite, GTA, Apex Legends, Minecraft? What do you want us?
Alright, guys, so
Trials Fusion.
yeah, so I'll leave a poll, answer the poll above, and yeah, what would you guys like to see us do on our gaming channel, Shoutout and Mushroom Gaming? Would you like to see us do more Fortnite, as Leland was mentioning, or the new Apex Legends,
Or
right?
GTA.
Or GTA, or
Minecraft.
Minecraft, I love Minecraft, or other.
Or hello neighbor.
Oh, hello neighbor, okay. Hello neighbor! Hello,
Hello, neighbor.
neighbors!
Yeah.
So, yeah,
Hello,
head on over to
neighbors.
Shoutout and Mushrooms Gaming, and yeah, let us know. So that way Leland knows what to play, huh?
Alright, hey guys, so my dad, he has a little mini fridge. He has Coke in it, which I don't like Coke. And I want the mini fridge, but I like Pepsi, not Coke.
Pepsi.
So I'm gonna go and get the mini fridge, empty it out, empty the Coke out, and then put Pepsi in it. So let me just try finding where mini fridge is. I'm guessing it's in his room. So let's just come. So you can see I have the Pepsi back there. already stacked up.
Pepsi
I
Seal.
just twirled in my room. Yeah, there's the mini fridge. He's sleeping, which is good. I don't like Coke. I like Pepsi. So Daddy filled this up with Coke. I don't like Coke. I'm gonna fill this up with Pepsi. Here's London. We say hi. Nah. Dada sweeping. I'm gonna open it. Whew. All right. Put some Coke back. Box.
Gosh, you're talking mushroom gaming.
Yeah.
I am done emptying it out and put all the Coke back there. So now I'm gonna have to bring this to my room back there. And yeah, I'm gonna have to put it in my room and put Pepsi in it.
Yep.
Alright guys, I have the dolly and I'm gonna bring this to my room real quick. So yeah, and we're gonna put the Pepsi in it and it's gonna be fun. Alright, so I'm taking it into the room and I'll make sure to film it. Alright, holding it. Alright, you have it. Now let's just set it down carefully. Alright, hey guys, so I just put the fridge here. I was thinking of putting it right here, but then I realized there was an extension cord back here. And then I put it there. Then I put the Pepsi.
Pepsi Seal on the bottom.
Just turned on. So yeah, this is the mini fridge. Lights off, on, and I'm gonna put the Pepsi in there. I'm just gonna have to open it.
Yeah.
Guys, so I'm gonna put the Pepsi in. Alright, put it back there. Put it in the last Pepsi. And there we go. The finale. Coke. I mean, Pepsi.
Where's my mini fridge? Where's my Coke coming out here? Hello! Where's my mini fridge?
Yeah.
Where's my mini fridge? Lena, what the heck? What, Pepsi?
Yeah.
In my mini fridge? What are you doing in my mini fridge? Give me my phone. What
I wanted it.
What? You filled it up with Pepsi?
Yeah.
You filled it up with Pepsi. You stole my mini fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like Pepsi.
But I do.
Put the Coke back in.
No, but it's mine.
Are you serious?
It's mine.
Oh my gosh, how did you get so many Pepsis? Look at all that.
Credit card?
What? You're making me pay for Pepsi?
Yeah.
Ew!
Ew.
I don't like Pepsi.
I don't like Coke.
I like Coke.
I don't like Coke.
Okay, my legs hurt. I've been sitting on the ground putting all the Pepsi.
You're gonna take each of those cans out, put them back in the boxes, use the dolly.
Yeah.
You're gonna put that back in my bedroom. You're gonna put all the Cokes in there.
No.
My Coke.
Yeah.
Okay.
You left everything piled back there.
Grab your Coke.
Well, you gotta empty out the Pepsi first. What are you going to my Coke? No, Leland. Where you going? No, you gotta go back. You gotta. No! No! Why are you throwing my Coke out of the house for?
Because nobody likes Coke.
I like Coke.
Well, I don't.
You go grab that right now. None of them broke, luckily. You are so grounded. You're not having all that Pepsi. You kids are not having a mini fridge. That was for me.
Wait, what? It says is dead.
What?
It says is dead.
Alright guys, go ahead and comment below and tell us, what do you prefer? Do you prefer Pepsi or Coca-Cola? I cannot believe this, Leland.
For me,
I want
think,
each of those cans out.
I will pick Pepsi.
I want you to put each of those cans out, put them back in the box.
Do you want Pepsi, Wild Cherry, Zero?
I don't want any. I want my Coke.
Oh, I want my Coke.
It's my Coke over here. I want my Coke. I want my mini fridge back.
My mini fridge.
It's mine.
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 Man.
I'm not dealing with this today. Not dealing with this. All I wanted was one normal Coca-Cola day.
With Leland? No way.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and
I want my Coke back.
make sure
Why is it still Pepsi?
to subscribe to this
YouTube channel. Subscribe to our crazy channel. And if you guys want a mini fridge just like this, head on over to the company, newair.com. They have a whole bunch of awesome mini little refrigerators like this that you can put just about anything in them. They have a whole variety of really impressive inventory, so be sure to check them out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Leland's Awesome Videos.
And also head on over to Shoutout Mushroom Gaming and let us know which types of videos, gaming videos, you guys would like to see us do. If you guys are new and haven't subscribed yet to our gaming channel, go ahead and do so. It's Shoutout Mushroom Gaming.
And which one do you like more, Pepsi or Coke?
Coke! Coke! Coke!
Pepsi
like
Seal.
No!
Or
Coke!
I
I want my Coke back! I want my...
And make sure to
Ugh.
follow me on Musically at Leland.
I didn't sign up for this. I want my Coke back. I want my Coke back!
There was Kid Tantrum said Daddy's mini fridge and replacing Coca-Cola with 120 Pepsi cans, but it's talking about rooms. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And give a like, and comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you want to. And click the bell to be notified for me upload in a month. Bye. For me, I think I will either pick Coke Zero or Pepsi Zero. Yep.